pretty dead, pretty cleared out. Trying to just come in here and eat really quick and then leave. Well, we came in thinking we would get some Coney barbecue, and it's already closed. Park is closing at 6 p.m. and it's very windy. Just saw Orion go up the lift hill. We grabbed us some Skyline, and we're just hanging out here for a little bit and gonna eat. This place is a ghost town. Woo! Oh, it is very windy. There's people on Diamondback. Sir, are you froze?
Yes. I can't feel my fingers anymore.
You hear the wind howling through the top of the drop tower. Sounds really eerie. Turned off cold really quick.